Good day, viewers. Today, what we've got, yeah, unfortunately the Fiesta, it's kind of gone kaput. It's cranking but not starting, so in this series we'll have essentially just a tear down and see what's causing the issue. Hopefully it's something simple, but hey, with cars it never is. But notice how I said series rather than episode, so yeah, it's going to be one of them, unfortunately. But episode 1 is, has she finally given up the ghost? Well, we shall find out, I'm sure. Hopefully not, but well, hopefully we find out, but hopefully she hasn't given up the ghost, if that makes sense. But yeah, on to the video. If you're new to NRC or a fan of our videos, I mean, this is a brand new series, so if you want to see what happens and see the outcome and where we get to, then please by all means subscribe. You'll get to see all fantastic new content that will be coming out. The Fiesta series will be weekly, so might want to tune in for that. And I am thinking of throwing some more videos during the week, perhaps battery videos and some more like that. Okay, yeah, so going on from what I was saying, she's not looking good. I've just removed the air filter box. You can see she's in a bit of a state as it is. I've already removed some of the other components. The air inlet that goes from the turbo to the, I believe that's throttle. Yeah. So I'm just gonna start by undoing the injectors. I'm just gonna have a little look around the area and sort of see how bad it is and what it looks like. But from what I've seen already, we have got fuel leaking out. So we're just gonna have a little look at that and find out why. Right, now I've removed the injector connectors, all 4 of them. I've noticed that one of them is split, so that's not good. Remove them, undo the 2 bolts that are holding in the fuel filter housing, and then we'll have a little bit more access down in there. Right, yeah, so the problem is looking a little bit deeper than just that, so we'll start by having a look at the leak off pipe, because that's the part that's actually leaking on this, and it's what's letting loads of air in. And to get to this, we are going to have to, unfortunately, remove the rocker cover. Knew I'd get there eventually. So, just going to remove all the 8mm bolts, and there should be 2 10mm bolts at the back. Once they're all removed, obviously when putting them back on, we will torque them up to the specified torque setting, but we're just going to get them all undone now. I'm also going to just remove all the connectors that are on or attached to the rocker cover. Throttle, obviously I've removed the turbo sensor and also the MAF sensor, so all of that's unplugged, and then there will be I believe it's a temperature sensor in the actual hand pump, because that's got a connection to it as well. And once all the bolts are removed, we can remove the rocker cover. Now, I've got the rocker cover off, and as you can see from the insides of it, it's not looking good. So we're just going to give that a very good, jolly good clean down, get rid of all the grime and all the grot, but I'm just going to remove the throttle first, and then I'm going to get the old petrol out and give it a good brush down. And with this, obviously, as you can see, I'm using a bin bag to try and catch as much of the rubbish as I can, but it's not going to get it all, and I've not done this the most efficient way. But yeah, as you can see, all the carbon and just goop and mess that's just sort of coming out of this. Going to get that all cleaned. It's not going to be 100% perfect. Oh, one of the local moggies has just turned up. Yeah, I'm just gently and easily going through all this with a screwdriver, just trying to break it off the walls and get as much out as I can while I'm doing it. And so far we can see it's making a little bit of a difference. Go through the rest of them and then, yeah, give it the petrol treatment and really give it a good clean out. Right, now we've got the petrol out. Obviously, as you can see, it's already gone as black as anything. It kind of looks like oil now, except its viscosity is that of petrol still. Yeah. Carry on cleaning this out bit by bit. I've got a feeling I'm going to use a lot of tissue and a lot of towels up doing this, so, but yeah, we'll get there. Right, now that's the majority of the crud out. I'm just refresh my petrol, and I'm just going to go over the other bits and, yeah, essentially just finally clean it out so it's got no carbon or any crud like that in it. And once that's all done, just going to sort of leave that, and I'm going to move on to the throttle, because that's actually caked and covered in rubbish as well. Oil from the outside and a little bit of carbon on the inside, although it's not actually that bad on the inside. But yeah, we'll give this a clean down as well. Okay, yeah, as you can see, I've covered the camshaft and I've covered the portholes. But yeah, as you can see, it's really sort of grotty down there. A lot of carbon build-up and a lot of blow-bys happened. So I'm just going to give that very good clean down. But that'll be in the next episode, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you very much.